Okay, so welcome to week 8, which means that we still have 4 more weeks of the semester before we're done. This week, we're going to try and finish as much as we can as much as we can from the reports. I'm not saying we have to write the full reports and have it ready and everything, but we're going to try, based on these questions, to fulfill as much as possible of our reports. And we're going to try and peer review. Having said that, since today is Thursday, I'm going to give you, since we're delaying this a little bit because IBDA has delayed their date. It's no longer on April the 2nd. This is what we're going to do. We're going to have whatever we can of the report ready on, let's see if we have I don't want to take too much time. Okay, we can take some time. Okay, so by Tuesday of next week, we should have the first draft of the report ready. It's okay, so that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? So Tuesday evening, we have by 6 o'clock, we have whatever we can ready. And then we do the peer review. It's just, the review is by each group, right? So each group reviews one group. So what you do is you click on here. You click on here and then click add a new discussion topic, and you upload your report in Word form. Put the name of the group in the subject and the names of the group members in the message. Okay, so we click on this, right? And then we add a new discussion topic, the group, a name in the subject, and the group members in the message. And then we upload, oh, oops, where do we upload? It's supposed to be, okay. So no, we're not going to, so you import a Word file. And then you save it. It's supposed to be, you can attach it. I'll take a look at it and see how we can do that later on. So you can attach it. Look for the group report you need to peer review. So I have group 1 is going to review group 4, group 2 is going to review group 5, group 3 is going to review group 6, and then 4 reviews 1, 5 reviews 2, 6 reviews 3. However, how do you know which group is group 1 and which group is group 4? This is how you know. 1 second. Where is it? I just had it open. It's right here. So group 1 are these people. They haven't named themselves. I hope that by then they are able to name themselves. Group 2 are these people. Group 3 are these people. This is group 4 and this is group 5, and group 6 are these people. So this is how you know which group is which. Where do you find this? This is I will send you the link to this again, to the WhatsApp group. Yeah, somebody had a question. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I have a question. I'm confused. On next Tuesday, what's due? The draft of the research paper?
What research paper?
I mean, like what we're writing for
the report.
Yeah.
The draft of the report, when I say a draft, it means whatever you can get ready. In my opinion, whatever they're going to be reviewing is something you need to figure out, you need to add. If you have some additional research you need to do, if you have some additional, leave these blank, as in, like, say, for example, results of survey, say survey hasn't been conducted yet, right? or this section we're still working on it, between parentheses. Okay, this way you would try to finish, for example, over here. This should be able to help you. Think about your layout, think about your structure, like how are you going to lay it out, how are you going to do the headers, which font are you using, which color fonts are you using for the headers, the spacing, the white spaces, etc. So think about that. So even if you have certain parts that are still empty, you would still have at least the layout looks fine, right? So this is number 10, the layout.
Okay.
Okay. Think about these things. Does the report contain the necessary front and back matter? You look at the prompt for the report. You look at the prompt. Remember, you would be able to find it over here. This is the feasibility report prompt. So that is in week 4 under reports. Look at the prompt and copy paste from there into your document, wherever you know your report document, and then start filling in the blanks. Yani front matter, it needs, for example, a cover page, it needs this, that, an abstract, a letter of transmittal, etc., etc. So try to fill in as much as you can. I'm not saying do it perfectly. I'm not saying, for example, it has to be 100% perfect. But they will be reviewing you. They will be helping you. They will be helping you by editing it. Okay. And then you put, you make sure that your purpose is clear. This, for example, is copy pasted from your proposal, right? Because in your proposal, you tell what your purpose is with this project. So this is already done. Can you tell who the report's primary audience is? This is also in your proposal. Are there overall missing elements in the report? The parts that you cannot complete or you haven't completed yet, you indicate that this is in progress, right? Does the full report, does the report fulfill the requirements mentioned in the feasibility report prompt? Of course, to the best of your ability. Can you help report writers by suggesting some additions? That is up to the reviewers. Maybe they can tell you, you know what, add a table here, maybe change the this over here, maybe replace this with that. Can you fix some of the sentence structure errors and grammatical mistakes? If they encounter any, they will fix them for you. And if they fix them for you, that's less work for you. How can the writers improve the overall clarity and readability of the report? I've made some suggestions for you. For example, when you submitted your proposals, I said, for example, for I think 1 or 2 groups, I said, you know what, shorten your sentences. You have one entire paragraph that's made out of 1 sentence, make it into 3. So they can do the same thing with yours. And then, of course, we've already addressed number 10. So does that answer your question, Nora? In terms of what you have to do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It might seem like it's a lot, but it's not. You have to remember, it's the report is not that there's a lot of work and thinking that go into it, but because it's an effort of several people working on this, and it's very clear and straightforward and to the point, you're not writing an argumentative research paper, you're not writing a critique of some book review or whatever. It's very straightforward, to the point. Basically all you need to do is just like sometimes copy paste from the prompt, from your proposal, from your progress report, and stick them in, and then bringing it all together, making sure it reads easily, it's clear, the layout, it's nice, it's readable. So and then move on. It's not really rocket science. It is a report on rocket science, right? So you're reporting on something that you are doing. I hope that helps.
Yes, it's clear. Thank
Great.
you.
Okay. So again, I will also the link so you know which group uh, um, you're reviewing. I will link you to it. And what I will also do is شو قلنا بعد بدنا نعمل? We said we're going to be yeah, I'm going to fix the prompt so that you can attach your Word document here, that they can download it and then re-upload it for you. Okay. And then we said I'm going to add the dates of when this is due, which is Tuesday for the report, Friday for the peer review. Which means that the report design and video presentation, you can still catch up with it next week because it's very easy, but I will also push it a week. And the poster design then becomes very easy. Poster design, we're going to learn how to do that using PowerPoint instead of any other uh, design or like a program or an app, because everybody has PowerPoint. PowerPoint is free for you. You can download it off AB's IT website, right? It's free for students. And you can design a poster that if you ever need to print it out, you can print it out like as large as a street billboard and it'll still be clear, no pixelation whatsoever. And I have samples, beautiful samples for you over here. I also have a PDF resizer, so you can just throw it in and it resizes it for you. And then you have the submission folder and information link. So you can just submit them online. Okay. I also have how-to videos for the basic poster layout for Mac and PC. So if you have a Mac, you use this one. If you have a PC, you use this one. This is regarding poster designs. After that, whatever we start over here is going to be just you personally working on these, whether it's the resumes, cover letters, and career portfolio for LinkedIn. Okay. Questions? I'm going to write down what I need to add for you. Any questions? I'm going to pause my video if okay, all is clear. Okay, let me just pause the video. Okay, now so for the IBDAع abstracts, the link that I gave you, I would like you to follow it and come over here. Make sure that you fill these with the necessary information, put the name of the group, the members, and then the project title, university you're participating from, and the name of your professor, and then answer these questions in 150 to 175 words, which is basically a copy paste from your proposal with a little bit of an edit. And please have this ready in the a few coming days so that I can correct it and fix it and then send it to Khaled in IBDAع. All right. Okay.